Tutukin yun, ako na pa yung ninong nina. I will pronounce you before it. I will dedicate you both to our Father in heaven. Ano na ko pa sa music? I will bless you. I will dedicate you sa atong Ginoo. Our Heavenly Father, bless this couple, Marlon, Gladys, Januar, and Jill. Help them keep their promise to each other. Guide them in the way they should walk, and make them a godly family. Marlo and Gladys, Januar, and Jill, the Lord will bless you, watch over you, be merciful to you, shine His light in you, and give you peace. Marlo and Gladys, Januar, and Jonamio, since you have consented to come together in marriage and promise your love to each other before God and before these people, by the virtue of the authority vested upon me by the Republic of the Philippines, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, can you please stand? I will dedicate to you the new couple, Mr. and Mrs. Marlo and Gladys.